Hi guys, what's up? It's Scholar85 back with another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for Crash Team Racing Nitro fueled. So yeah, picked this up today. I was 14 in 1999 when the original came out. So yeah, that was a thing. So yeah, really looking forward to playing this. So as you see, there's Crash, Coco and Cortex on the front. There's the side, there's the back. Crash is back in the driver's seat. So it includes all tracks and arenas from Crash Team Racing and Crash Nitro Kart. Cool. Race in multiple modes, complete online and race with friends. You can customise characters as well. Won't start your engines. So it is Xbox One X enhanced, high dynamic range. Install size is up to 18 gigs, so quite small. And then inside, got a code for the Electron skins pack, and we got the disc. And when I pre-ordered it, I also got these. So these are pin badges. So that's groovy. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of Crash Team Racing Nitro Fueled, guys. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, I'll catch you later. Bye bye.